everyone, imagine it's 1996 all over again and everything is in black and white and you listen to your music on gramophone records and you got your guitar, you got your amp, so you got your clean sound, but you need to buy a distortion pedal. So you go down to the music store and you buy this. Or better yet, your mother goes down to the music store and buys you this. This is the DOD FX33 Buzz Box. This becomes your distorted sound. Remember kids, real bands sound like crap. Ladies and gentlemen, DOD, putting quality first.